Hello there guys, how are we doing today? Hope you're doing good, hope you're doing great, and I hope you're just living life and you're in the headspace that you want to be in. All while, of course, maintaining that wonderful hydration. So, my room is messy, I have to pack, my boyfriend's birthday is coming up, we're going on vacation, I shopped for some stuff for vacation, and, I'm in a pile of clothes, like an episode of Hoarders. So, what I'm going to do is I'm creating my own motivation by making videos for you guys. We're going to have try-ons, we're going to have hauls, we're going to have clean my messy room, we're going to have surprise my boyfriend, we're going to have vacation vibes, we're going to have all of it. And we're going to have a good time. So I'm going to show you on my chalkboard. I'm still in my boxers. I'm at home, I don't really care. Let's close myself in. Let's clean everything out. Chalkboard. That's me. I'm slowly deteriorating. If you have not, subscribe, comment, like. Comment how you're doing. And something that you want to get motivated about. Alright, so we are, if you've not subscribed, please do. I'm erasing. So, we're doing the old honey do list. But it's like, instead of honey, it's like self honey. Because I'm my own honey. Yeah. Alright. So we're going to use a different color now. Blue. Alright, so number 1. Clean the room. Number 1. Number 2. Pick clothes out. Oh, that's a lot already. Can you see number 3? Okay. Here. We're gonna make our old to-do list here. Our old to-do list. Yeah. 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 Alright. Alright. Okay. So, number 1. We are cleaning. See, I'm already being motivated, guys. Number 2. We are picking out clothes. That'll be the most fun one, I think. That'll be the most fun one. Number 3. We are doing presents. For Nick. I'm gonna give him a little heart because love. It's like I'm a meteorologist and I don't know where the storm is. Here we have a cold front. Yeah. 4. We are packing. And 5, we are enjoying life. Because that's the most important one. Alright, so and then 6, we are vlogging. we're gonna give it some vibe. We're gonna make it pretty. It doesn't need a leaf. And then we're gonna put a heart right there, and we're gonna put a heart right here, and a little smiley face. Alright, here's our to-do list, and we're gonna mark it off every time we do something. Every time we do something. So hopefully you're along for the ride, and we have a good time together. I will talk to you guys soon, and I will see you in upcoming series videos on vacation. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.